Good morning, students. So, digital logic fundamentals. Last class, we have seen the octal number system, how to convert a decimal to octal. Now, the conversion from octal number to decimal number. Okay, right. As binary, that is the binary to decimal, the octal has the similar format, that is 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3, etc. From the decimal point, we start 8 power 0 from left to right. After decimal, we start 8 power minus 1, 8 power minus 2, 8 power minus 3, etc. You must remember this one, right? So, from the point, we start from left to right to left, 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3, etc. From left to right, after decimal, it is a power minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, etc. Right. Now, let me see some examples. How to convert the octal number to decimal number. Right. See that. 143. This is octal. Okay. 143. Right. Therefore, 8 power 0. This one is a positional value is 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2. In the binary, everything is here 1010. But here we have the values 148. Okay. Therefore, this value 1 into 8 power 2 plus 4 into 8 power 1 plus 3 into 8 power 0. We multiple with this value along the positional value. Okay. So 8 square is a 64. 1 into 64 is a 64. 8 power 1 is a 8. 4 into 8 is a 32. 8 power 0 is a 1. 3 into 1, 3. Therefore, 64 plus 32 plus 3, which is equivalent to 99. Therefore, 143 decimal, which is equivalent to 99 in 143 in octal, which is equivalent to 99 in decimal. Okay. So once again, I explain 143. So 143. So here we start from 8 power 0. Right to left. 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2. Then 1 into 8 power 2 plus 4 into 8 power 1 plus 3 into 8 power 0. So 8 power 2 is a 64. 1 into 64 is a 64. 8 power 1 is a 8. 4 into 8, 32. Then 8 power 0 is a 1. 3 into 1, 3. So 64 plus 32 plus 3, which is equivalent to 99. And next example, 357. Okay. So this is the octal number. Therefore, this is 8 power 0, 8 power 1, and 8 power 2. Right. So 3 into 8 power 2 is a 64. So 3 into 64. 5 into 8 power 1 is a 8. 5 into 8. Then 7 into 8 power 0 is a 1. So 7 into 1. So 3 into 64 is a 192. 5 into 8s are 40. 7 into 1 is a 7. Therefore, 192 plus 40 plus 7 equal to 239. So that is the equivalent decimal value for 357 octal number is 239 decimal. The next step. Suppose decimal numbers are given. Okay. Again the same from right to left. 5. This is 8 power 0. So 1. 4 into 8 power 1. 8 power 1 is a 8. Then 2 into 8 power 2. So 8 power 2 is a 64. Therefore 64 plus 8 plus 1. Okay. So 64 plus 8 plus 1. So 65, 73. Right. Then here 0.37. Okay. Therefore 3 into 1 by 8. So 3 into 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 is a 0.125. Then 7 into 1 by 64. That is 7 divided by 8 power minus 2. 8 power minus 2 means it is 7 into 1 by 8 power minus 2. So 8 power 2, which is a 64. That is 7 by 64. So 7 by 64. So 1 by 64 is a 0.015625. So which is multiple with 7, right? Then this one is here it is wrong, not right one. That is 64 plus 8, 72 plus 1, 73. This one is 73.484375. Okay. So sorry. This value is correct because we want multiple with 2. Okay, 2 into 64. Okay. Then 4 into 8 plus 5 into 1. Okay. Therefore 2 into 64 is 128. 4 into 8 is 32. 5. So which is 165. Then we multiple the point values. 3 into 0.125, 7 into 0.015625, which is equivalent to 0.484375. Therefore 245.37 is 165.484375. Okay. Convert the following octal number into a decimal number. Take 247. So 7 into 8 power 0. This is plus 4 into 8 power 1 plus 2 into 8 power 2. That is 2 into 64 plus 4 into 8 plus 7. Okay. So the answer is 167 in decimal. Similarly, 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3. Okay. You multiple with 1 into 8 power 3 plus 2 into 8 power 2 plus 4 into 8 power 1 plus 3 into 8 power 0. Okay. The answer is 675. Like that, 24,765 octal. We get the decimal value is 10,741. So 37.6 in octal is 31.125 in decimal. So 124.33 in octal is 84.42187 in decimal. Okay. So you solve this one, you convert this one and compare the result. So here 0.33 means this is 3 divided by 8 plus 3 divided by 8 power 2. That is 64. 3 divided by 64.